In this video, I will publicly pitch you to invest in my tech project inside Dubai Estate. My name is Maxim Zuborev. I have a background in software engineering, and a few years back I came to Dubai to invest into real estate. To learn about the market, I joined a broker as an agent and was assigned to the off-plan team. I will shortly explain what off-plan properties are, but I found a lot of problems there that I decided to solve. I also met my business partner there, Vitali. He is from Riga and a brilliant salesman, while I take more care of the tech side. So, what are off-plan properties? It's essentially this: beautiful computer-generated images of real estate that does not yet exist. Developers buy a plot and then create these images to pre-sell their projects before laying even the first brick. These off-plan projects have some advantages for the buyers. For example, the developers will usually offer very flexible payment plans that allow the buyer to break up the full price into many smaller payments over months and years. The buyers can request non-trivial, unique customization options, and as the projects near completion, they tend to appreciate significantly in value. There are also some problems with off-plan properties. For example, there is an increased risk for delays, the developer may default, or you may get something different than what you have been sold in the images. The other major problem is obtaining the relevant information. There are weeks when more than 10 projects are being launched in Dubai, which makes it very hard to build a case for a purchase and compare projects with each other. Developers usually release starting prices for certain unit categories when they launch their projects in their marketing material. But these starting prices get less and less accurate as the stock gets sold. So if you want to know the price for a certain unit at any point in time, you have to reach out to the developer or an agent, and you usually will have to give up your contact information in exchange. Many agents in Dubai are actually just as clueless and confused. So if you decide to outsource the research to an agent, there is a good chance that they will recommend you a bad option. So this is the group of problems that we are going to fix. Imagine this would be your buying experience with any other product. Let's say you want to buy a vacuum, but instead of going to Amazon, you have to inquire with every manufacturer or some kind of vacuum broker in exchange for your contact information. And then you get bombarded with confusing PDF brochures that lack vital information. This is the current state of off-plan properties in Dubai. How comfortable or confident would you be in making a buying decision? So most market participants are operating at a huge information gap. And real estate is an asset where the right information can make or save you a real fortune. The solution, therefore, is information. A web platform where users can perform sophisticated, data-based, easily understandable and comparable research on projects and their stock. This will minimize the risk for buyers and enable them to find the most profitable units. In exchange for providing the platform, we get free leads. Now, there are a lot of non-technical reasons why we cannot make the buying experience as perfect as on Amazon, but we can do a lot better than right now. And here's how. Inside DubaiEstate.com. The only platform you need to make confident real estate decisions in Dubai. This is the heart of Inside Dubai Estate. It's a powerful, sophisticated search engine for all the off-plan projects in Dubai. You can easily see all the critical information for every project, like the location, completion date, gross ROI range, which we infer from publicly provided data from the Dubai government, the payment plan structure, and the current prices for all the unit categories. We can move around And we have a powerful search engine here. And this will only show 1-bedroom apartments. The real estate market in Dubai is legitimately booming. For the past 4 years, it knows only one direction. In 2023, we have had $42 billion in off-plan residential sales and $40 billion in secondary residential sales, so ready-built properties. In 24, at the time of beginning August, we have $32 billion in off-plan and $28 billion in secondary residential sales. So if this continues, we are very likely to make another record year. This data is also verifiable. You can go to the Dubai Pulse website and fetch the official data provided by the government. One of the biggest concerns that people have about Dubai is that it's overhyped. Of course, with all the social media presence and the Lamborghinis and expensive watches, you can think so, but for the past few years it seems like the people who have just ride the wave have been vastly more profitable than those who tried to swim against the wave. Besides, I think that the social media presence of Dubai is more noise than anything else. We can see here for the past 10 years, in the context of real estate and worldwide search, that Dubai is growing only very slowly and has only recently overtaken New York and London in the context of real estate searches, and mostly also because those cities are in decline much more than Dubai is in a hype. The main driver for Dubai's real estate boom is much more political, I feel. We have wars, increasing taxes, questionable political debates, communism, and other mostly political issues that just drive high net worth individuals out of their countries. And Dubai is positioned very well to give them a warm welcome. What is our business model? Ultimately, we are just a broker. So we get paid through the commission for every sale. And here's an example how much an average sale can bring us. $32 billion have been sold in 57,000 transactions. Therefore, the average price is $570,000. Commonly, there is a 5% commission for off-plan sales, can go as low as 2% or as high as 8%, and that makes us $28,000 on average. The most popular acquisition channel for real estate in Dubai is social media ads. So how much do our competitors pay for a lead or a sale on that? The broker that I joined in the beginning told us that they were paying $200 to $300 for every lead. That means that 100 leads was costing them $20,000 to $30,000. 3 people of those 100 leads would buy. So on paper, they were paying around $6,600 to $10,000 for every sale. We do many of the same and similar things as the brokers that we are competing with, but we do them in a different way. For instance, we don't have to run never-ending lead generation campaigns. Instead, we promote our web platform where we provide real value to the buyers. We can also use our own web platform to improve our research quality and time, so we can serve more people at the time than our competitors. AI? I know every investor wants to be involved with AI startups right now, but we are not AI first. That being said, we have fully operational AI systems already set up and running. We source projects and properties with it, we generate and distribute content with it, and we are very open to integrate it in other places where it makes sense. What about ready properties? We have a huge stock of them, we know how to find and sell them, so we can serve them to the clients, but we do not push them on our website and our marketing because they are less scalable than off-plan properties, And there's also much less commission, like maximum 2%. At this point, you're maybe thinking, why do you even need funding? We have been growing steadily, but very slowly over the past few months. Here you can see our Google clicks over the past 6 months, our Ahrefs ranks and keywords. We are also active on Pinterest, and our actual website analytics. So because the progress has been so slow, but we have a ready product and we finally see increasing results, we believe it's time to accelerate. We are looking to raise $600,000, and you can see here how we intend to use them. One note on this is that we don't want to do anything here ourselves. We want to hire a team of amazing contractors who we can work with on long-term basis and who know what they're doing. And now you are maybe thinking, you just told us that you have a high profit margin because you don't need to run ads. But then you want money to run ads? Let me explain that. When I say we don't run ads, I am talking about the ads that our competitors are running. They are running social media lead generation ads. They just collect contact information, promote a single project, and once they turn off those ads, they don't get any new leads anymore. So they need to spend to earn. Here's my thesis. We have a valuable product that helps with the selection of off-plan projects. If we get traffic on it, then it's much more likely that people will share it with their friends. So this will lead to more customers, which will first lead to access to exclusive units and conditions, which will make our helpful product even more helpful. And second, it will fund our paid marketing, which we can use to promote our actual web platform again. And we want to create the first spark to put this wheel in motion. Here's the deal. We double your money. Sorry, no equity for now. I think this is a very fair deal for both parties. First, we already have a finished product. We have growing interest and traffic, had already inquiries, and we already sold something. So, of course, I'm incentivized to say this, but I think the risk is very low for you as an investor, and I believe it is very reasonable to assume that we will double your money within 1 year. However, you have my word that when we decide to advance to the next level and take on a substantial market share, we will seek another round of investment, and we will come to you first, and we will give you equity. Here's one more sales example. If you believe that we can sell at least 21 average properties at $28,000 with your money, you will get at least 100% of your money back. If you believe that we can sell at least 42 average properties with your money, you will get the expected or promised 200%. That is it. I hope you found it interesting. And if you have any questions or decide that you want to invest with us, you can reach out to this email address. I will be happy to help you.